Welcome, in front of me I have LENOVO Tab P11 and today I will show you all modes and features that you can find in this camera. So there will be a small overview. Unfortunately it doesn't support the normal mode, the landscape mode, so I'm going to zoom out to show you how it looks. Okay, and as you can see in this camera we can find the normal photo mode. We can use zoom by pinching screen to 6 times. Yeah, we get also the video mode, and here we can also zoom in to the 6 times. When we are in the photo mode, we can enable timer. So when you enable, after a few seconds, the photo will be taken. Here we got the grid lines. Oh, wait a minute. The grid lines are right here on the screen. We can change aspect ratio quickly. There is 1:1 full screen and 4:3. Here we get, here we can scan the documents. So for example, let's take this thing. We can scan this one, yeah, as you can see. Wait a minute. Okay, honestly it doesn't work good, but it's available. We can also use the flashlight, as you can see. What we got here more, we get the portrait mode, we can use the beauty mode, like that. And when you go for settings, we got here the maximum brightness, we got focus and shot, we got floating shutter button. Take a look. Oh, wait a minute. I have to turn off this one, and why it's not working? Okay, and then I show shutter button. Okay, so there it is, as you can see. I was thinking that maybe it works different, but yeah, that's it. We can of course put it here back, but we can also move it just like that. What we got here also, we get also here the mirror effects, and we got HDR. We can change video quality for the both cameras. We got shutter sound, countdown sound, location. We can add them to the photo. Take a look when I enable. And that's all. We can also reset the camera, and that's everything. So that's how camera mode looks in this device. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and for sure subscribe to our channel.